Ready, start, go. Panamste.
You start recording? Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Country7, and today I will be I will be unboxing and reviewing the Fitbit Versa. So over here I've technically done most of the unboxing already, but over here I have I just like the safety and caution, blah blah blah, yeah, you know, all that stuff. And over here I got the instruction manual on how to use it properly and everything. I can also sync it with my phone. I can also sync it with other devices. And over here I have the charger. So the way it works is it's not plugged in anything right now, so it needs to be. So that I can just like drop it on here basically, and it'll charge. It's kind of hard to do it, but well, I don't really know how to do it either, so I'm gonna skip the part. I just drop it on here and charge basically. And then over here is the actual Fitbit Versa itself. Over here it shows the time, 7:13. It can show my exercise. So I got okay, this is kind of weird. I've never used a Fitbit Versa before, and it's really hard to use, personally. So it can, yeah, basically. What the? Okay, so this is kind of really hard to use. I hate it. Okay, I don't hate it. It doesn't, well, you know what I mean? It doesn't it's not the most awful thing in the world, and it's not the best thing in the world either. But no offense, even though I'm more of an Android guy myself, I personally do think an iWatch would be better than a Fitbit Versa. It's just it's much easier to use. Well, I don't think you can call or text. You can't call on the Fitbit, on the iWatch either. You can only FaceTime. Yeah, if I had an iWatch, I'd do a review on it. But well, I don't have an iWatch, so I can't. And yeah, and I think also as yeah. Well, okay, guys. And I have to say, are you still recording? And guys, I have to say, I am a bit impressed with Android. This isn't really Android or anything like that, just a Fitbit. But I am impressed by how good this Fitbit is at multitasking. I mean, this Fitbit Versa is technically considered as a smartwatch. Look, I just have this weird timer on, but I can't figure out how to get to the home screen for some reason. But I think you can also measure your heart rate, exercise, and steps. Obviously, from any Fitbit you can do that. And I have this Vivo Fit Junior here, which is terrible, and I don't even want to get into that. But all in all, guys, I think this is worth buying if you really want or need a Fitbit. I think this is worth buying. Okay, guys, that will be the end of the video today. So like and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye.